Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about some, Atlantic hurricanes. But some of these are hurricanes, some of these aren't. And today, um, we have been having so many early hurricanes throughout the years. Um, we've had a bunch of hurricanes. Like, it started from 2015 all the way to 2018, maybe 2019 if we see a early storm or early you know subtropical, tropical, or maybe even a hurricane type little thing. And guys, I am talking about some tropical storms or hurricanes, maybe even subtropical. And I don't mean like, storms like, that hit California or like a snowstorm. No, I'm not talking about those because we already know that those are early. But from 2015 throughout, we have been seeing a pretty good amount of early storms. Like, take Tropical Storm Anna for an example. I think that says Anna. It could say Anna. Let me check. Okay, that's weird. Okay, well, I just need to. You know what? Frick it. I'm really sorry about that, guys. I forgot to translate it in English, but let's just get into this. So, Tropical Storm Anna, I guess you could say, was a pretty early storm. It formed on May 8th, and then it ended on May 12th. So that's a pretty early storm. It was extratropical after May 11th, as it says right here. It caused only one fatality, sadly, and the damage was minimal. And this is the track of it. So it first, as you guys can see, it formed as a uh, subtropical storm in May, and then it just decided to hit the Carolinas. I remember this storm because I got some of the rain from it because I'm in Charlotte, North Carolina. That's where I'm at. Okay, and now let's go on to the next early storm that is in 2016. This is the 2015 early storm. Let's go to the 2016 early storm. Alright guys, now we are on to Hurricane Alex in 2016. This is a very, very, very early storm. This formed in January, which we have not seen in a long, long time. And it also dissipated on January 17th, 2016. And yes, I do remember this storm, but I was actually getting a snowstorm around this time, so yeah. It caused one fatality. I'm sure that probably happened somewhere over here where it made landfall, like as a tropical storm on this island. Yeah. If you guys know what that island is, correct me. Okay, you know what? I'm just getting sidetracked. But it might have did that in Bermuda too. I don't know. But sadly, it did cause a fatality, and it was it stopped. It was an extratropical after January 15th. So that's pretty interesting. All right, let's go on to the 2017 early storm. All right, guys. So sadly, I couldn't find an article of Tropical Storm Arlene on Wikipedia. Someone really needs to make it, but the only thing I could show is on this 2017 Atlantic hurricane season Wikipedia page. And as you can see right here, this was formed on April 19th all the way to April 21st. And I would say that it became extratropical after on April 20th. I think that's when it became extratropical, and yeah, this is the track of it. So pretty interesting. And again, I don't think it caused any fatalities because it did not affect any land and it did not cause any damage. So we're thankful for that. All right, now let's go on to the 2018 early storm that everybody in the community, the weather community, at least should have tracked. All right, guys, so now we have Tropical Storm Alberto in 2018, which I actually remember. I remember tracking the storm. So it formed on May 25th and it ended on June 1st. And if any of you guys know, which you probably should know, is that June 1st is when hurricane season starts. So that's when it ended. So this is still counted as a early storm. This was the track of it. It actually was a tropical depression in Michigan, which we haven't saw in a while. So that's pretty interesting. Sadly, it caused 18 fatalities and $125 million in damages. Just replace that million with a billion. Alright, guys, so what will we see this season? Will Andrea be an early storm? Maybe even Barry? Maybe even every single one of them. But I don't know, guys, because there has been no storms yet. Maybe this streak can continue. In 2019, we could see subtropical storm, or maybe even a hurricane, maybe even a tropical storm. Andrea! So, yeah, guys, peace out. And, if you like more hurricane videos, please smash the like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.